am severely allergic to peanuts, tree nuts, and shellfish. They cause anaphylaxis and has symptoms on your whole body, respiratory, skin, and gastrointestinal functions. If you have anaphylaxis, you have to have a medicine called epinephrine. So, I will show you how to use an Auvi, an epinephrine injection. I will just use a trainer. If you forget how to do it, Auvi walks you step by step.
Is for training purposes only. Do not use this trainer during an allergic emergency. If you are ready to use, pull red safety guard down and off of this trainer. Place black end against outer thigh. Then push firmly until you hear a click and hiss sound and hold in place for 2 seconds. 2, 1. Training complete. This trainer may be reused for training purposes. Replace the red safety guard and gray outer case.
Remember, this is a trainer and do not use it for an emergency. And this is the real thing. Do not use this if you're just demonstrating how to use it. Even if you don't have an allergy, 1 in 13 kids have it, and 1 in 10 adults have it. So it might be helpful to know how to use an Auvi.